What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some delicious stuffed oven roast snapper. Let's get started. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have some all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, paprika, salt and pepper, some butter, some green seasoning, some bami, and for those who don't know what bami is, it's like a cassava bread. And I went ahead and prepped my okra, carrots, onion, bell pepper and jalapeno pepper, and of course the star of the show, my 2 snappers. I'm just going to go ahead and combine all the seasoning together, and I'm just going to sprinkle some over the stuffing. And I'm going to give this a good mix. I'm just going to go ahead and add my green seasoning. I will leave a link for the green seasoning down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. And I'm going to give this a good mix and set this aside. And guys, you could use whatever filling you want. You could use spinach, kale, whatever you have on hand. And I'm just going to go ahead and combine my green seasoning with my dry seasoning. And you could add whatever veggies you like to your filling. I'm going to go ahead and season the fish liberally with this seasoning. So I'm just going to season on the inside and all over. And guys, I will leave everything that I'm using down in the description box, so you could go ahead and check it out. And you want to make sure you season your fish properly. I'm going to season and allow this to sit for about 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes, now it's time to assemble. So I'm going to take my bami and place it on the bottom of the foil paper, and I'm going to go ahead and stuff my fish. Now while the fish is being roasted, it's going to release a lot of juice, and that juice is going to get the bami nice and soft. So I'm just going to go ahead and stuff the fish, and I'm going to add some butter and wrap it up. Then I'm going to place this on a baking tray and proceed to the next one using the same step. And guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and roast this in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be first to be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like this video so far, give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about this recipe down in the comments. Now after my fish is finished roasting, this is exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and guys, the aroma from this is so amazing. Look at all that steam, and as you can see those juices in the bottom, that's what is softening up our bami. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I plate this up. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.